In this lesson, we will learn types of software with focus on system software. Software gives instructions to the computer. In this lesson, you will revise the meaning of software, then learn system software, operating systems, system utilities, and device drivers. Software is a set of instructions and data. You cannot touch software physically. When software runs, its instructions are executed using hardware to give the required result. Software is broadly grouped into system software, programming tools, and application software. System software works closest to hardware. This lesson focuses only on system software. System software provides the basic functionality needed to operate a computer. It interacts directly with hardware and helps the computer use different hardware components. An operating system is system software that operates the computer. It is the most basic system software. Without an operating system, other software cannot work properly. The operating system manages application programs. It provides access to users and gives security to the system. It helps the user, software, and computer work together. Examples of operating systems include Windows, Linux, Macintosh, Ubuntu, Fedora, Android, and iOS. Some are used on computers and some are used on mobile devices. System utilities are software used for maintenance and configuration of the computer system. Some utilities come with the operating system. Some are installed separately to improve the system. Examples of system utilities include disk defragmentation tools, formatting utilities, system restore utilities, antivirus software, disk cleaner tools, and disk compression software. A device driver helps a particular device work properly. The operating system controls the whole computer, but each hardware device may need its own driver. A device driver acts as an interface between the operating system and the device. It hides hardware-level details and works like a mediator between the OS and attached device. System software works as a team. The operating system operates the computer, utilities maintain the system, device drivers help the OS communicate with hardware. Let us recap. System software interacts with hardware. The operating system is the main system software. Utilities maintain and configure the system. Device drivers connect the OS with devices. Thank you for watching this video. For more computer science revision, visit www.tuitionharbour.com or email at hello@tuitionharbour.co.uk.